Hello. Now, I started this video once. Now I'm starting again because I realized that I had no fast fetch installed, and I needed to create a toolbox for it because I am on Atomic. I cannot just, sudo dnf install fast fetch, because I need to do that inside of a container instead. And here I am inside my container, inside my toolbox. Now I can do a sudo dnf install fast fetch. And welcome. I am Lofty Pancake and I make video games, but however, this video is not about making a video game. This is about This video is about my used software on Linux, what I use most, what I use even at all. Yeah, so as you can see here, I'm running Fedora, but this is Fedora Kinoite. So that's the distro that I'm using, which is like the foundation on which every other piece of software is then run on. Okay, so as a browser, I mostly use Firefox. Cool, but I also have ungoogled Chromium.
But overall, like, I like
ungoogled Chromium here, which is great when you need Chromium functionalities. And this is also a Flatpak, FlatHub install. So it has codecs that the basic Firefox browser doesn't have, which comes with the system with Fedora Kinoite. I could, of course, just install the Firefox from FlatHub, so that it also has like multimedia codecs and everything. But I like to keep the one that comes with Fedora. And then, and this ungoogled Chromium is an interesting project. So I like having it. For example, it has like this default search engine from the bar here is nothing. It gives me nothing. No AI bullshit, no nothing. Unless I specify what I want to do. This is my quant search engine. And then I can search YouTube like this. And probably let's try. Do I have Twitch set up? This is interesting. Maybe I don't. Maybe I do. I do have a Twitch here. Okay, cool. So those are the browsers that I use. Then for music, I have a QBS, which is a Linux client for listening music on GoBuzz. Here's my GoBuzz. I have a subscription. It is great. I love it. It has bit perfect ALSA audio. So it's great. That's what I use for music. Obviously, I make my games in Godot game engine, which just works flawlessly. I download Godot straight from their website. Aseprite, I have purchased a license a long time ago. Also download from, not their website, but I download it from Humble Bundle. I also have the Steam version, but it's You don't have to start up Steam if you just use it from the Humble Bundle download. Blender, where I do all my 3D modeling. This is from FlatHub. Works great, works flawless. Then also from FlatHub is Krita, that I used to make YouTube thumbnails. I mean, I would just do this. Whoa, what happened? Yeah, Krita is perfect for creating thumbnails. Whoa. What happened? Now this is a glitch that I guess is because I am recording my screen on OBS. Yeah, this is definitely interesting. Okay. Let's try that again. It's never done that before. But it must be due to me recording my screen. Okay, so far it didn't explode. Okay, now it just works. Who knows why? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I could make this bigger, but I won't. Well, I mean, basically this image doesn't need anything more than this. So I could just be done like this. Boom. I think that's my thumbnail for this video then. Okay, cool. So we have that out of the way. Then I use OBS Studio for these videos, for recording. Then for checking out my videos, I use Sine. Do I have any videos here? I happened to find out this video player by accident because I realized there is no, usually on the Fedora Workstation edition or the basic Fedora, there is Dragon Player that is included with the operating system. But Kinoite didn't have anything, so I could install whatever I wanted from FlatHub. I did first consider Dragon Player, but then I just happened to see sign, however you say this video editor. And boy, oh boy, this is just brilliant. I fell in love immediately. This is probably like optimized for GNOME, but it works on KDE. So I'm just using it. And attempts at this video. Great player. I love it. It kind of has like this macOS vibe to it, because if I just wait for the controls to go away, it just shows me the video without no window controls or anything. It's just, I think this is just beautiful. Yep, that's that. That's basically like everything that I really use. Apart from Steam, of course, I use Steam for games. And that's about everything that I use for games also. I don't do Lutris at this moment, or battles. Not at this moment in time, at least. I have everything on Steam. Yeah. There is also music player Elisa. This came with the OS. This is what I would use probably to play local music. If I didn't have GoBus, which also plays local music if I want to. Great, that's it. Bye.